stripes across its eyes.
Oh,
See how soft he see?
yeah.
Yeah, he hasn't been dead very long.
Really beautiful colors.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's not a wren because wrens are like this big. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, they're
It's
small.
a little bigger than a wren.
Yep.
I think it's a warbler. You talking to me, bitch?
Oh,
Yeah. I'm not gonna get disease though.
I was just gonna say on here, Gil's not afraid of the bird flu.
No, I'm not. I don't care. That's the top of the head's cool too.
Oh,
All gray.
It is.
Black striping, green back. Gotta remember all these things. I gotta look them up.
These are really,
Feel those babies there.
yeah, they're really beautiful. Brown-eyed Susans and Jerusalem Artichoke.
Almost makes you want to pick some and put them in a vase.